We're at the Residence Inn by Marriott Oceanfront Resort in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're going to give you a room tour as well as a tour of all the hotel amenities. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new here and you enjoy Myrtle Beach videos, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss anything new. Also, with this hotel, we're going to show you the room tour in just a second, but you get this amazing view and access to the beach. I mean, this is gorgeous. Let's start out with a room tour. This is room 907. It's an executive king suite room. So let's start with the kitchen because it's right after you come in the door. You've got a dishwasher, coffee maker, got a toaster, and then they do have different dishes, glasses, those type of amenities, a sink, microwave. They do have a stovetop, but there is not an oven. And then they do have a full-size refrigerator. Nice size. Has a freezer. There's an ice bucket, and there is an ice machine on this floor. I did see it. There's some pots and pans. There's a trash can under the sink. And there's your silverware and cutlery. Looks like some utensils for cooking. And the last two are empty. On the other side, we have a hall closet. There's nothing else in here. There is another closet that has a safe in it. You have this nice dining area with 4 chairs right across from the kitchen. Got a full-length mirror in the living area. And you do have this couch. Really nice sectional. Got another chair, and it looks like some storage over here. And then you have this large TV. I mean, this is a really big TV, and you can turn it around so it faces the couch, which is nice, or faces the bed. And so here is the king bed. And as you can see, there are nightstands on each side with drawers. You've got an alarm clock, and you've also got chargers, both USB and standard outlets by the bed. There's the phone, more chargers, and then here's the bathroom. Got the vanity mirror, sink, it's a single sink, and then here's the other closet that I mentioned. You've got a nice size safe. I mean, that's a really big safe. Lots of hangers, extra bedding. And then here's the second sink over here that's actually in the shower toilet area. So that's kind of nice if one person's getting ready and the other person needs a mirror or sink, they've got it. Same setup as before. And then a gigantic shower. I mean, this is a huge shower with lots of shelves. And they do provide bath products. You've got body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. There's what the shower head looks like, and it's nice and high, so if you're a taller person, lots of room. Towel racks, and then the toilet. And now for the reason that you really come to stay here. This beautiful balcony. You've got these really big windows that go all the way across here. Giant sliding door. And wow. Got a couple of chairs over here and a table, and this huge balcony. It's kind of funny how there's all this space and just the 2 chairs, but that's all we need is 2 chairs. And this view, this is amazing. So beautiful. Let's do a quick tour of the breakfast buffet. As you can see, they have a wide variety of options available, and we did eat at this buffet and can vouch that it's quite good. And it is included with the price of your room. We had the eggs, and they're actually real eggs and not powdered eggs. And I had some sausage, Brian had some of the potatoes, and then we had some of the other things they had to offer. And everything we had was good. Oh, that's nice, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Looks good. Once you walk through the lobby, you come into these gorgeous, gorgeous views right away. It's definitely the way you want to start your vacation. I mean, just look at this. So beautiful. And then the lobby has a lot of seating. I mean, lots of seating. We've got these really nice areas where you can look out at the beach. We've also got this really beautiful water feature. Some TVs so you can watch the news. They have a large area in case you want to eat your breakfast here or even outside, which is nice. They've got tables right outside here. And walking back across the lobby, you've also got tables and chairs on this other side. So, I mean, this is a huge area. They've got a fitness area right upstairs, which I'll show in just a moment. Got more outdoor seating with these gorgeous views and more TVs and also more tables. Also, the next level up from the lobby, they have this beautiful bar which is open in the evening with a lot of seating and also, again, these stunning views of the ocean. There's a little bit of a glare, but here's the menu for the Driftwood Bar and Grill that I just showed. That's open in the evening hours. They have a really nice fitness room, different exercise equipment. Got a stationary bike, some elliptical machines, and looks like some elliptical and treadmills. They do have a weight system. And again, this beautiful view. You can go outside right from the gym and enjoy the view of the ocean. The pool area is very, very nice. And part of it is actually covered, or actually I guess all of it's covered. Some of it is closer to the outside. So first I'll show you this section. Looks like a lap pool, so that's really nice because most hotels don't have lap pools. So I would actually appreciate this a lot. Nice little seating area over here. And then down on the next level is the recreational pool. Oh, this is really nice. I like all the little water features and waterfalls. So relaxing. And you got the ocean right out there. Smell that ocean breeze. This is a really nice pool area. Lovely. In addition to the pools, they also have this fun splash zone for kids. I'll be honest, I haven't seen many kids staying at this resort, but they do have this if you've got your kids with you. Also, this hotel is pet friendly, so you can bring your canine friends and they can stay in your room with you. It's only open on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but they do actually have a food truck. It's not a real food truck, but it's made to look like a food truck, and they've got bar drinks, and this is down near the pool area. And they've also got some food. Here's the menu. Also down by the pool, they actually have bikes that are free to use if you're a guest of the resort. The beach access is a short little walk through this little path. Just a few steps. Here I am at the end of the path, and here is the gorgeous beach. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.